Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Michael Castor and I'm a product manager here at Yaskawa Motoman. And today we're going to be talking about the MotoMini, which is our smallest and lightest industrial robot. As for an agenda, we're going to talk about what is the MotoMini. We're going to see where it fits in the Yaskawa Motoman range. I'm going to give some application examples, and then for questions, this is a live chat, so anytime you have a question, type it into the chat and I will try to get to it to the best of my abilities. The MotoMini is not only the smallest and lightest industrial 6-axis robot in the Yaskawa Motoman range, but also in the industry. It has a half-kilogram payload rating, 350 millimeters of reach, and repeatability of 0.05 millimeters, which is roughly the width of a human hair. It weighs 5 kilograms and was designed for agile, high-speed performance in dense work areas. It utilizes the YRC1000 Micro Industrial Robot Controller. And this is the same controller that you find in our smaller GP series robots up to a GP12, and also what powers our collaborative robots, the 8C10 and the 8C20. It can be programmed using our standard robot pendant or the new smart pendant for those with less formal robot training that need to get up in operation very quickly and easily. The MotoMini is by far the smallest industrial robot in our range, however it is not light on features. It has the same capabilities as our much larger industrial robots, just scaled down to an itty-bitty size. It can operate at scare levels of speeds, well, approaching scare levels of speeds, but maintain 6 axes of dexterity. It can fit alongside or into existing automation and packs those big features into a very small package. So let's discuss some of the applications where the MotoMini can be used. In this example, we have a larger robot, our GP7, doing a bin picking application utilizing the Canon 3D vision system. So here it's picking up the parts and then passing them off to the MotoMini, which is reorienting them and stacking them on a holder. The MotoMini is able to manipulate the parts, twist and turn them as they need to, and then stack them up accordingly. Additionally, it's extending the reach area of the GP7, giving it a little bit more space to operate. This is a fun assembly application where several MotoMinis work together along with several components from our Drives in Motion division to build toy cars. The range is extended using linear rails, but the small size of the robots enable the cell to take up minimal space. These are an earlier version of the MotoMini, so they look slightly different than the current product, but the functionality is still the same. Let's watch the video to see this application in action. Here's another assembly application that highlights the dexterity of the MotoMini. The 6-axis range of motion gives much more flexibility than a scale robot for assembly. The engineers who built this demo had a lot of fun programming it and managed to make the robot seem almost alive. You may have seen this demo in person at one of our trade shows. Let's watch it again for those that haven't. Another popular application for the MotoMini is for training. Since the MotoMini uses the same controller and programs the same way as larger industrial robots, students can easily transfer knowledge learned in the classroom to the production line. The MotoMini is also the least expensive option when it comes to a physical robot training tool. Currently, several partners have training systems available, and at least one is working on a portable desktop training system. There are many other possibilities for the MotoMini than what I've shown you here today. Other possibilities include dispensing, inspection, kitting, packaging, or sortation. The small size and big features of the MotoMini let it work in areas never thought possible with an industrial robot. To discuss the possibilities further or to ask any questions, feel free to email me at michael.caster@motoman.com. Thanks for tuning in.